stops behind here, right?
Okay.
One right here and one right here. You need them both to be above the stop on the. Oh, sorry.
That's good.
On the hanger. So what it does is one stops it from going all the way down,
Yeah.
obviously, and one stops it from going all the way
Wait,
up.
Okay.
See? So you had it straddling it when it should be above it.
Oh, okay.
Right. Good. Oh. Let's see. Chain.
Oh, the chain even tightened up.
Good. Right. Now your front.
Just a little, yeah, needs a little bit of adjustment, right?
Yep. So I'm gonna make it. What happened? It was working a minute ago. Okay. I need to add more tension to your rear. See, it's popping out.
Yeah.
Let's get that back in there.
He said you would know. So I was like, okay, well, Rennie don't know, then I'm just going to have to take it all apart and put the old bar back on.
No, can't do that. There's a few things I want to do. I want to trim this guy.
Okay, you're going to cut it?
Yep.
Yeah.
And I'm also going to add some more tension on the cable before anything is, before I go any further.
Sure.
Grab my
Okay.